feel this way? How many times I told you that you love you, babe? Doesn't matter.
Hey.
Currently in the rental car, which as you can see is a Tesla, which is pretty sick, so we're going to get some good driving in this today. Going to go to the hotel now and see if I can check in and then head out to the air show from there. Looking for a park now. It's 12:30, I got here at 12 o'clock and this is just, every parking lot is like this, just ridiculous. The hotels are charging $100 to park. There's just people everywhere. This is just absolute ridiculousness. There's the air show right there I'm missing.
Now turn right onto Newland Street.
Alright, found a spot. Here we are. Parked. Can I open the door now? Because it's real close. Yeah, we're good. I'm gonna go find this air show.
738 Alpha Delta, we're at ACI Jet with Foxtrot request taxi. We are unfamiliar, we will require a run-up.
And United 2205, be advised, showing the wind now, 23005.
Okay, I'll run the numbers again, thanks.
Scott ground unanswered.
It's a Skyhawk 738 Alpha Delta, ACI Jet with Foxtrot request taxi clearance.
Remember, 738 Alpha Delta, John ground, taxi the Alpha to the midfield run-up.
Copy, Alpha to the midfield run-up for 8 Alpha Delta. Under 2050, can we push it this time?
Present 2050, John ground, affirmative pushbacks, approve out of gate 12, use caution, United just push out 14.
Roger, we'll do that, pushing over 12 res 2050. Alright.
2205, remain holding there, and advise if you do need the runway 20 right for departure.
Okay, hold here, we'll give you a heads up. 2205, thanks for the help.
Number 8 Alpha Delta, runway 20 left to kilo, line of only traffic downwind.
8 Alpha Delta, we're number 2 in sequence.
Okay, then number 1 is Riddle 77.
77, what's up?
77, runway 20 left to kilo, line of only.
Runway 20 left, Riddle 77.
Number 8 Alpha Delta, hold short of runway 20 left.
Hold short 20 left, 8 Alpha Delta.
1 Bravo, you park left side.
Turn on for the land.
1 Bravo, hold short of runway 20 right at hotel, remain this frequency.
You hold short right side, triple on Bravo.
Runway 20 left to kilo, clear for takeoff.
Runway 20 left, clear for takeoff.
614, extend down, I'll call the base.
Extending downwind, you call base 614.
1 Bravo, cross runway 20 right at hotel, traffic holding in position, contact ground 120.8.
1 Bravo, crossing this hotel, we'll go ground on the other side.
8 Alpha Delta, runway 20 left to kilo, line of only traffic downwind.
Line of runway 20 left, 8 Alpha Delta.
Delta traffic upwinds also eastbound 20 off the kilo, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 20 left, copy the traffic 8 Alpha Delta.
Send a search your left turn now, jet traffic rolling off the right.
Turn now, Riddle 77. All TSP is good.
614 turn base 20 left, clear for the option.
Yes, alive.
Turning base, clear for the option 20 left, 614.
Delta, contact approach 135.0. 135.0 for 8 Alpha Delta, good day. DC for the descent, contact tower 118.75.
Local 1875, push 420.
Approach good up in Skyhawk 738 Alpha Delta with you. We're beginning our VFI descent into Henderson.
738 Alpha Delta, Las Vegas approach, roger. 2345, contact tower 118.75, have a good day.
1875, United 2345. Las Vegas, roger.
Now, good afternoon, Skyhawk 738 Alpha Delta at the ruins, 4,500, inbound with uniform to land.
Yes, sir, we'll give you just a moment. Skyhawk 738 Alpha Delta, Henderson Tower, your number 2 following a Bonanza short final. Make straight in, runway 35 left, report 2 mile final.
Coming straight in, number 2 behind the Bonanza, we'll report 2 mile final for 8 Alpha Delta. And 8 Alpha Delta, 2 mile, left base, 35 left.
Skyhawk 738 Alpha Delta, runway 35 left, cleared to land.
Land 35 left, 8 Alpha Delta.
Skyhawk 193 Romeo Juliet, cross runway 35 left, traffic on a 2 mile final, taxi via Echo to the ramp.
Cross 35 left, taxi Echo.
Station 168 Tango Yankee, I assume you're ready to go. I'll work on that release.